found me, not by chance, not by call. The noise of the world fell silent when her eyes met mine and paused. No questions, no defense, just truth standing still. Two lives recognizing each other before the mind could speak its will. Eyes became one horizon, hands found their way home. In that moment the past is old, nothing stood alone. We met and love arrived without fear. I gave her my love, she gave me honor clear. Respect was her language, trust was how we stood. This is what love looks like when it is finally good, where love finally stands. Without demand or claim, the freedom lived between us, love untouched by shame. She needed love, I carried it. I needed honor, she knew. In knowing each other deeply, we became something true. Not a house of walls and rules, but rest where souls can stay. A place where silence feels safe and hearts are free to stay. Love is all I ever wanted, love is all we need. Honor is the vow I hold, respect the air we breathe. This is knowing each other, not possession, not control. A family born from freedom, two lives sharing one soul. No fear remains between us, no shadow left to prove. We do not chase tomorrow, we stand where love can move. We are home in love and truth and light. We are home in love and truth and light.